fins down the bottom is the triggerfish. There's a real dark fish with a white dot on it. We just went around that rock down here.
Yeah.
That's called the keyhole angelfish.
Oh, yeah?
You don't see that every time, so it looks like it's got a keyhole, that white dot.
I see that.
We've also got two, that was a little black tip, two grey reef sharks. They're the bigger, more dominant ones. Cruiser and Bruiser, their names.
Why do their names all rhyme? Yeah.
Dewey, Dewey and Louie. Cruiser, the 7 dwarfs don't rhyme.
Yeah, but Cruiser and Bruiser.
And then we've got two leopard sharks, Brian and Zelda. That doesn't rhyme either.
Zelda.
So I found Zelda. I'll just try and move us over her.
Oh, that's...
Do you remember those big oval shark eggs at the touch pool? They've come from Zelda.
Oh, yeah? What colour were they?
She's covered in spots.
Oh, yeah?
She's hiding right in the corner, but I'm trying to steer us into the side. So, you got to look under that way and you'll see her. They're actually more accurately called a zebra shark. So they start off with stripes and they get spots as they get bigger. So Brian, he's probably having a rest from her down the other end. Very long tail, but a very, very small mouth, not very sharp teeth. Not all sharks need to keep on moving in order to breathe, so the leopard sharks have spiracles, holes behind their eyes like the rays. They can pump water over their gills. But she's laid some fresh eggs. There's a big golden trevally. You would have seen its cousin, the giant trevally, in the open tank before.
There, it's got like a big shark. The thing in this
Wait, Blake, why don't you just record it?
But can you see tangled in all the rocks up there? That's all part of her eggs.
Oh, yeah?
So the big brown things are the eggs, and then all that other bit's connected to the eggs, how they tangle and stick to the bottom. It's like super glue when it's pressed. So we will get those out, and the divers will probably come in them tomorrow or the next day, and we'll take them out of there.
So then a mesh shark there.
Sawfish, so we do have 4 of them, but they're a ray, not a shark. They've got their gill slits underneath, that's how you know it's a ray. They use that saw like a baseball bat for hitting fish, or digging around in the mud, maybe getting prawns, crabs, that sort of thing. There's the big parrotfish, that bronzy coloured one. Very strong jaws, they can crush up all the coral. So they essentially help to make the sand, the parrotfish. So when it comes out their backside, it's sand. But we'll get out some fish food, I'll just head back here out of the water. Just a bit of a snack for the fish really. If you give them a bit of a wave, they just know fingers.
I'm
means
fishing.
fish
They're the best photographer ever.
So this is just like what you give a goldfish, but a good little snack. So if you make a bit of a bowl, I'll put some in your hand and just do it nice and slowly.
I found a lot of lorries. There's a ton of
You might be
lorries
able to
down
pass
there.
some down to the kids and I'll restock your hands.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't matter.
That's not a
Just do a little bit at a time, otherwise it'll be all done and all over. Go this way. Right here. There you go. The black and white stripe. Always the top.
Oh, look at him. nom, nom, nom.
Like that.
How do you get fish out?
Got a big crane over here, we can lift the big sharks. Tranquilize them, make their muscles go to sleep. When the divers will go in, they'll push them into like a big plastic bag. How they carry the goldfish out in a little plastic bag. They'll put a shark in a big bag and then put him in a tub and crane out the tub.
Guys come in and start
I know, these are not dangerous sharks. More people in Australia die from bees and wasps than from sharks. Sharks do not like human blood. They just confuse people by accident. There's only 4 sharks are dangerous out of over 400.
Don't they,
Great white, tiger shark, bull shark, and oceanic white.
don't they confuse surfers as seals?
Yeah.
Yep, surfers in particular, because they're surfing morning and evening, so it's getting dark. It's dark. Sharks, they've got good vision, but when it's dark, they have to do their thing, do a bit of a test fire. So even though there's been 5 deaths this year, it's been a bad year. 80 people will still die on average from drowning in 1 year. 3,000 will die from car accidents in Australia every year. Yeah, nobody keeps quiet about going in the car.
I thought they like send someone and then they just eat it.
I know, but that's like you see on the movies. But sharks don't just see a person and don't go and eat. Remember, they don't like human blood. And the reason for that is they got low fat content. Well, most of us anyway. So they haven't evolved to eat us. Why bother? They want to attract fish from human blood. However, if you're spear fishermen are also more likely to get attacked. Because they've got all the fish blood in the water. And then you can feed in with the shark. So it's like, hey, that's my fish. Maybe they'll bite you. And you don't want to promote the shark. No one here would go and poke a lion. Even if a shark eats fish, you go and you start annoying it, it'll get angry and might bite you.
Blood's the thing that attracts sharks.
The fish blood does, definitely. But the human blood, not so much. They don't like it. And I hope no one starts smoking, because smoking kills over 18,000 people a year in Australia. Remember, there's on average less than 1 a year from sharks, over 18,000 from smoking. This is thousands of times more likely to die from cigarettes than from sharks. This is proven. Intervention.
Listen to the wise man.
No, we're going to tell us Dada.
Most last day, most last so hard to catch those tiny fishes.
There's a lot of caves and crevices where the little fish will hide as well. Because we turn the lights off at night time. Well, I saw Brian, he was moving around.
Get my phone like that.
He was coming out the back. Oh, no, he's over there.
How do you get the fish?
The dead fish we buy from the fish markets to feed them.
No, I mean these fish. How do
Some
you
of them we have difficulty capturing. So once they're in, some of them stay in. Some of them have escaped. And there's a few clownfish in here which are hard to get. But some things are very difficult to get once they go in.
So Nemo is in here.
What did that feed the shark?
Squid and dead fish. So everything has to be dead. We don't want them to confuse live fish for live fish.
Have you bought any of these fish from other places?
Yeah, so there's companies that actually get the fish for us. We buy them from the company.
Must cost a lot.
Yeah, that's why we don't want the sharks to eat them as well. So the sharks will cost more, but you obviously don't want to lose all the fish. You don't want little kids to see all the little stories getting eaten from their eyes. It's not very good business. And we don't have to buy more, so it's
They'll be like,
win-win for everyone.
oh no! They'll be screaming for their life.
People's fish.